Your weather now, powering a snowstorm and wind-driven wildfires this weekend. Flames are roaring through several states, including 6 where the threat is extreme. Lilia Luciano joins us now in Los Angeles with more. Lilia?
Good evening, Adriana. Since January, more than 800,000 acres have burned across the nation in wildfires. And right now, currently, there's more than 2,000 fire officials fighting flames. Wildfires are raging across parts of the Southwest, scorching more than 100,000 acres, destroying dozens of homes and forcing hundreds to evacuate. Uncontrolled flames spurred on by a mega drought and ferocious winds further spreading the fires.
The fire was so hot it broke all the windows on the back of our house.
Sporadic snow and rain had little effect dousing the tunnel fire near Flagstaff, Arizona, now in its 6th day with only 3% containment. Another 2 fires merged outside Santa Fe, New Mexico, with at least 4 additional fires burning in that state. The same weather system that triggered red flag warnings in the Southwest is creating blizzard conditions in the upper Rockies and Plains, and parts of the central U.S. could get hit by strong storms, packing high winds, hail, and even tornadoes. Meanwhile, in Northern California, a separate system has brought spring snow to the Sierra Nevada, giving some relief to the drought-stricken state.
I think it's important, right? It's going to be good for the drought.
Scientists say these late April rains in California are barely making a dent in delaying our fire season. The state is still heading into the summer with the driest January, February, and March on record. Adriana, we're talking about more than 170 years.
Wow, Lilia Luciano, thank you.